Welcome to the third episode in a series where we are refactoring a legacy Node.js application. In the last episode we set up transpiling with Babel, but now we need some help in actually moving the syntax over to ES6. So we are going to use ESLint to help us with that. Let's start by installing ESLint, and then we can configure it. So that's npx ESLint init. So let's imagine this is a big project and we want to gradually move over to ES6. So in that case we don't want a big bang pull request. So we're just going to start by finding the problems. So, and we have JavaScript modules, we have none of these, and this is not TypeScript, and this is Node, and we're going to configure it with JSON. This created one file for us, so the ESLint.json, but we also need a script to run lint, so let's add that here, and then run lint. These are a lot of errors, and we don't want to fix them all in a single pull request. So let's change this to a warning here, so we can actually do this gradually. So we open up our ESLint configuration and the rules, and no-undef warning. Save that, and we run this again. And let's see, is everything just a warning? There's one more here. Let's try that out. Then we run it again, and we see there are 0 errors. And now we just need to configure GitHub Actions to run linting. Npm run lint. Now we can merge this and then start working on our warnings. So I created a pull request and merged this, so now we can continue with the next step. Let's now do a separate pull request where we fix all the imports and exports. I fixed all the imports and exports, for example like this. So now we can run the linting again. It was 114, so it's 106. Let's try to fix this one next. So we go over to the ESLint config, and we say here under the environment node true. Alright, 76. So let's now try to fix some of these jest errors. So we go back here to VS Code, and we say here jest. We guessed it right, true. And npm run lint. 2 problems. Looking at the remaining warnings, we can see they are related to the dist folder. So we need to configure ESLint to ignore that. So we go to ESLint config here, and we add a new section here, ignorePatterns dist. Save that, go back here and try to run this again. Voila, no errors. Now we can actually force ESLint to throw an error if there is an error in the code. So we go back here and just remove these rules here, and now we run it again. Alright, now we should be able to merge this and we are ready. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. In the next video we will move to TypeScript. So see you then.